How's it going everyone, Space Life here. In today's episode we went on a little foraging trip in a local woodland near to our house, and it's only about a 5-minute walk from our house, and we got really lucky. We found these common puffballs, and these have to be one of my favourites to be honest, and they're really good for beginners because you can't really go wrong. There's no other mushrooms that really looks anything like these, and they're an incredible mushroom really. They taste really nice. I think they almost taste a little bit like an omelette, just like a little omelette. We left this one behind just so it can get some spores out there. And then we also found this really nice sep on our little walk. So we're going to start just by cutting these puffballs in half, just showing how nice and white they are on the inside. If you ever have one and it's a bit darker on the inside, then I wouldn't recommend eating it. Yeah, once they're all sliced up, then we're going to cut our sep. And it's always quite satisfying cutting one of these because it's not often we really find these. I think this is probably the 4th one we've ever found, and I really like the look of these inside. They're really meaty mushrooms. So just chop them all up into about 1-inch, 2-inch pieces. And then you want to start by adding a little bit of butter. This is some dairy-free butter. And once it melts down a little bit, you can add in the puffballs. Now we want to get a really nice colour on these puffballs. We want them to be nice and golden brown, and then it will almost taste just like an omelette. And I just really like them. They're like little bite-sized omelettes, and it's just quite different for any kind of mushroom to taste like that. That's the great thing about foraging, you never know what you'll find, and there are just so many interesting different types of foods out there. And when it comes to mushrooms, it's almost like a game of Pokemon. You're not sure what it will be. And it's always a nice surprise when you do find something that you haven't had for years, just like these. And you can see it's nice and golden brown now, and this is really one of my favourites. So it's a little bit blurred, but you get the idea. So if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe.